Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to week 7 workout. We're going to be focusing on balance, footwork, and continue to build on the things that we've been doing. Okay, so it's just that footwork in here. And it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's a step over right there. In here, yeah, get used to scissor, and then the other foot comes around, ready to play the ball. And here, pa, scissor. So the ball that's closest to the. If it rolls, it's okay, and we'll start using the transfer, okay? But we're gonna use the bottom of our foot a little bit more today. I want us to get used to rolling the ball, touching the ball with the bottom of our foot, different surfaces to play, okay? So we are gonna start pulling back, transfer, and then stopping the ball in between the cones. Then I switch feet, I pull it back, transfer, and stop the ball in between the cones. And then again. Okay, and then in everything we do, we're gonna stop the ball. We're gonna do a quick activation behind. Okay, and then pull back, pull, yeah, back. Oi. And if you mess up, just, it's good. We want that, and that's how you learn. And stop. The next one is just the transfer across, and we'll stop. So we're taking the ball, we're rolling it backwards, we're transferring, and then when we transfer again, we stop it on the outside. And then we activate across, little piso, pull it back, transfer to stop the ball. The step over. So again, activate, and if you're gonna activate quick, pull, and then when you get here, now you make sure you do the movement that we're doing. So this one's the step over, coming across. So if I pull it with my left, I'm gonna step with my right, and then I go forward to the other side, and I stop the ball. Then we're gonna move on to the scissor, okay? Those 3 movements, we'll keep going at it. So we'll activate here. Now if I pull it with my right, I'm gonna scissor with my right, and then go across, and then stop the ball. And then come across. If I pull it with my left, I'm gonna scissor with my left, come across, and stop the ball. So I'm gonna pull with my right, let it come across, run around the ball, and then take it inside the foot. Stop it, activate across, pull it with my left, come around the ball, touch it towards my destination. So inside the foot, you pull it back, come around the ball, and outside the foot. Yeah, so I come across here. Yeah, so I pull it back. Now with the same foot, I come around the ball and take it to where I want to go. And now I'm going to do the transfer across. So I'm going to pull it back. Now I'm going to face this way, touch the ball across, and get to my destination here. Right, so opening your hips really helps this happen. You want to pull the first transfer backwards. So I pull it with my left to my right, I hit it backwards, and then forwards across. So the transfer in behind on this one. Step over, okay? So now I'm gonna do the step over with the same leg that I pull the ball back. So I'm gonna pull the ball back and do a step over, and then get out of there to here, right? Then I'm gonna activate across, pull it back, same leg, step over, move your feet, get around, stop on the other side. I pull it back with my right, I scissor with my left, and then I do an outside the foot turn towards my target. Yeah, then I come here, I pull with my left, scissor with my right, and do a little turn. So now I want you to use all the movements that we've done in our passing, okay? So we're gonna do a double pass, then receive across the body. So 1, 2, receive across the body, take that touch, and then a turn back to the pass. 1, 2, receive across the body, take it again, and maybe a pull back, okay? But you can use any of the movements we just did, okay? So the pull back, 1, 2, right? Let's step over. Fit solid, right? If it comes to this foot still, I have 2 options if the pass is going that way. One is to pass it again, so I can turn my body, okay? Or if I'm here, maybe I can try to turn my body to receive with that foot, but you have to try to make the adjustment on the fly in football, right? So then I take that 2, and step over the ball, or scissor, or transfer behind, any of the movements to turn it around. It's a double pass with the left, 1, 2, I receive across, here, right? Then boom, I take a tap. Cool. I can receive in any of the ways we were doing earlier. So we can scissor and come across, right? And make the pass. Okay, we can touch it and step over, come across, pass the ball right here. Step over, come across. We can, take it here, transfer, and play. Take it here, right? Transfer and play. But if we want to receive across the body, make a turn, and then come back to this one. That's all right too. Okay? And then boom, make sure you control and improvise. If that something doesn't come out perfectly, it's okay. Right? It's football. You have to keep playing. So now I'm going to put my goal in front of my wall. And I can put it anywhere I want to aim. Alright, so I'm going to come in here, make a pass, receive it, yeah, make a movement, and then try to finish. Okay, then I can reset, take the ball again, yeah, make a pass. So we're using all the build movements that we did at the beginning. So scissor, finish. Try to stay away from being so side to side. Maybe it's back, forward, then to the side, and then make the movement. So try to always change your angles as you play. 10 if you can, 20 if you want to push it. Ready? Here we go. So 1, and I hand the ball down. 2, 3. Then let's do some push-ups. Make sure your back's straight from your heels to your head. Okay? And we can do 10 push-ups. If you are able, and I think everybody is, we can do ball push-ups. And go as far down as you can go. Alright? This next one, put the ball in between your feet, keep your knees apart, hands down on the ground, and go side to side with the knee bent. Okay? Or you can straighten your legs and go all the way down. Then we get another 10 push-ups. Okay? We can go straight down, or we can start bringing our knee into our stomach when we come up. Okay? And if you have a ball, you put it by your knee when you come down. When you come up, you could still be playing with the ball. Okay, and make sure if you do that, you do both sides. If you can't hit the ball, try to balance the ball on your head. Okay? But even if you can't hit the ball, maybe it's something that you'd want to try. Make sure it's like almost like a V from your legs to your back. Okay, if you can have the ball, maybe toss yourself up headers. And we want to do these for 1 minute. Okay, so headers. If you can also give yourself some, or I can go head, foot. Yeah, head, foot, head, foot. So have fun with it. I hope you enjoyed training. We'll see you this Wednesday and Saturday for our Zoom workouts. Hope you are working hard, studying for our workout. If you have any questions, let us know. Okay.